friends, my name is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, BART in Computer Department. Previous lecture we have discussed about the software maintenance and configuration management. Now today in this video lecture we discuss the DevOps. So what do you mean by DevOps? This concept is a new added in the syllabus of GTU. It cover the 10% weightage. This chapter cover 10% weightage whenever you show the syllabus. So the topic covered in this video lecture, like what is DevOps means, first we start with the overview, then problem case definition, then we discuss the benefit of fixing the application development, then definition, प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड डेफिनेशन के बाद बेनिफिट डिस्कस करेंगे उसके, देन डेवऑप्स एडॉप्टेशन अप्रोच थ्रू द असेसमेंट एंड सॉल्यूशन डायमेंशन, डेवऑप्स इम्पोर्टेंट एंड इट्स बेनिफिट, प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रैक्टिस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, 7C डेवलपमेंट डेवऑप्स लाइफ साइकिल फॉर बिजनेस एजिलिटी, व्हाट इज़ बिजनेस एजिलिटी, सो एजाइल प्रोसेस मॉडल कैसे वर्क करता है हमें पता है, तो इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, डेवऑप्स एंड कंटिन्यूस टेस्टिंग क्या है वो डिस्कस करेंगे, हाउ टू चूज़ दी डेवऑप्स टूल्स एंड चैलेंज विद द डेवऑप्स इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, मस्ट डू थिंग फॉर द डेवऑप्स, क्या करना चाहिए, ओके, देन मैपिंग माय एप्लीकेशन टू द डेवऑप्स, एक प्रैक्टिकल पोर्शन में हम कवर करेंगे, सम ऑफ द डेफिनेशन एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एज वेल एज मेजर फीडबैक, ये सारे टॉपिक आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हम कवर करेंगे. सो लेट वी स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डेफिनेशन ऑफ DevOps. What is DevOps? So look in the figure before go to the text. So in the figure you are easily identify the definition or understand the definition of DevOps. DevOps is nothing but the combination of two words. First one, that is called the dev, that is called the developer or tester, and second one is operation. So DevOps is the combination of two words, development and operation. Then this allow a single team to handle the entire application life cycle from the development to test, deploy and operate. So all the things are performed in the team. This is allowed in the single team. So all the entire application is handled with the DevOps life cycle. Total life cycle that cover the development, testing as well as deployment, that cover the all the operation of DevOps life cycle. Then DevOps help you to reduce the disconnection between the software developer, quality assurance engineer and system administrator. So we know the roles of each and every, like software developer, it create the software, okay. Developer means whenever you recruit any programmer, so it is the he is the developer. Then quality assurance, what is the quality assurance we have discussed in previous lecture. So quality assurance, it is the guarantee of quality whatever the customer want, so we give the guarantee of perfect and make the quality software. So that rules and standard defined in the quality assurance we already discussed in software quality assurance SQA activities. And last one, that is the system administrator. So we also familiar with the role of system administrator. It have the all the functionality to edit and modify the product, and also manage the product to updation and delivery of the product. So all the things that performed by the system administrator. So DevOps help you to reduce the disconnection between the दिस सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस एंड सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, सारा वर्क एक में ही कवर कर लेता है. ओके, सो बर्डन जो है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. देन DevOps is the process of alignment of IT and development operation with better and improved communication. It used for the combined work. So communication, by using this type of communication, we improve our software work. Then it is neither an application nor a tools. DevOps के बारे में अगर आपको डीपली जाना है और सिंपली समझना है तो DevOps क्या है. DevOps वो तो एक कंबाइनेशन है कि टोटल टीम कैसे वर्क करती है. ओके, एजाइलिटी का एक एडवांस कंसेप्ट है. अभी तक हम कहते हैं कि एजाइल प्रोसेस जो है वो बेस्ड प्रोसेस मॉडल है, लेकिन एजाइल से भी आगे DevOps आता है. तो DevOps कोई टूल्स या एप्लीकेशन नहीं है. क्या है? एक कंसेप्ट है दैट कवर द डेवलपमेंट एज वेल एज ऑपरेशन. देन but it's just a culture to promote the development and operation that process collaboratively. So keep in mind, this is the one type of a culture to promote the development. Two primary ancestors of the DevOps are given below. First one, it is the enterprise system management, and second one, it is the agile development. So DevOps also cover the concept of agile model. This is the life cycle of DevOps. If you show in this figure, so the life cycle of DevOps that cover the two portion. First one, that is the developer side, and second one, that is the operation side. So whenever we start with the development, so development it build with the some of the code we required coding on the basis of customer requirement. So here the customer requirement, and we build the code. So we required some of the tools for the build the code. Then we test the code, product is working perfectly or not. So we required alpha, beta testing, unit testing, integration testing, and some of the tools like Jira tools and Selenium. This type of tools is required for testing. After completion this portion, we go into the operation. Each and every portion are connected with each other. So DevOps, development as well as IT operation, both are work in synchronized manner. So whenever the operation will handle all the thing of product, so it check the all operation, it release, deploy on the customer machine. It also provide the help desk. Then to monitoring, we also require the dashboard. So this type of functionality perform in the operation. Then problem case definition. Why we require the DevOps? What is the reason behind the need of the DevOps? So we need DevOps that allow the agile development team to implement continuous integration and continuous delivery. Some of the important reasons like predictability means DevOps offer the significantly lower failure rate of the new release. So this is the reason. Then maintainability means effortless process of recovery in the event of new release, crashing of the system. Then time to market means DevOps reduce the time to market up to 50%, okay, to delivery of the software product. Then greater quality. DevOps help the team to provide improved quality of application development as the incorporate infrastructure issue. Cost efficiency. DevOps offer the cost efficiency in the software development process, which is always benefit for the company Then here we also discuss some of the point like before DevOps, the operation and development team were working in isolated environment. What is the meaning of this sentence? Before DevOps technology or culture, the IT team work on the isolated environment, means it old process working like simple software development life cycle stages, that is called the traditional approach. So it reduce uh, it required more time to develop the software and some of the disadvantage that overcome with the DevOps. Then testing and deployment activity mostly were performed in the isolated manner after design build step, and they took more than the actual project completion time. Then in the old approach, team member usually spend the large amount of time in deploying. We all familiar in previous approach, the deploying, testing, designing and building the project, we required large amount of time. So this is the old approach, that's why we require the DevOps. Then fourth one, human production error. We also familiar with the error in previous chapter KLOC, हमने फाइंड किया था कि कितनी एरर जनरेट हो रही है, पर्सन मंथ एरर कितनी जनरेट कर रहा है. सो ह्यूमन प्रोडक्शन एरर वेर डिप्लॉयड ड्यूरिंग द मैनुअल कोड कंडक्शन. And last one, the operation and coding team generally have the different timeline and did not have the proper synchronization that result in the further delay. So these are the problem occur in this simple or traditional approach while we are using the software development life cycle. Okay, so that's why we move on the agile methodology, and after all the agile process model will cover the advanced level culture, that is called the DevOps. Okay, then how is the DevOps different from the software development life cycle traditional approach? So first let me check with the batch size. So batch size also larger or big in the software development life cycle, while we are using the DevOps, it is the smaller. Then organization, if we talk about the organization, so do not share the information in the software development life cycle, while in the DevOps architecture dedicated cell is used. So each and every application, each and every content is in the sharing form, we can access everywhere. So team member can easily catch up the information or it access the information where it is shared. Then scheduling, what do you mean by scheduling? Scheduling means timing. It centralized in software development life cycle. Whenever we schedule some of the program or whenever we schedule some of the software product, so it is decentralized. But there is a decentralized and continuous manner that perform in the DevOps. While we discuss about the release, so high risk event occur in the software development life cycle. What is the high risk? Means, just like an example, we are using the waterfall model, so risk is high in compare with the other model. Or DevOps, that non-event means no any type of a risk whenever we release the product. Then information, wide audience, whenever we provide the information, so it look like for the wide audience in software development life cycle, but here it is only required for the particular team member which perform the particular action, so it's called the actionable. Then culture do not fail. Here the software development life cycle culture do not fail, but it not useful for the DevOps. So the fail small culture for the software development life cycle, it do not fail, but in the terms of DevOps, fail smaller, earlier and recover fast. So it is very useful. Fail smaller means it is a fail, but some of the point we neglected, and earlier, but we can recover fast in compare of other model. Then metric like cost and capacity, so covered, that is in software development life cycle. But in the DevOps, cost, capacity and flow, so is required in the DevOps. Then define means done or not. So I did my job, while DevOps says it's ready to deploy. So which one is a better? DevOps. DevOps क्या कहता है कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लाओ, चलो हम रेडी करके डिप्लॉय करके कस्टमर को डिलीवर करेंगे, परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर करेंगे. सो DevOps is better than software development lifecycle traditional approach. Then let me move on next. Advantage and disadvantage of DevOps. So what is the advantage of DevOps? Here DevOps is an excellent approach for quick development and deployment of application. It responds faster to the market change to improve the business growth. DevOps escalate the business profit by decreasing the software delivery time and transaction cost. DevOps clear the descriptive process, which give the clarity on the product development and delivery. We can say by using the DevOps, the faster delivery is possible. Then it improve the customer experience and satisfaction. What is the customer experience and satisfaction? Means by using the DevOps, we deliver the delivery make faster and quality. So quality is maintained by using DevOps. So customer give the positive feedback for that. So customer experience satisfaction can be improved. Then DevOps simplify the collaboration and place all the tool in the cloud for customer to access. Here DevOps also provide the dashboard for the customer service. So customer also satisfied for this purpose, and each and every activity are open or cloud based to access all the customer. Then DevOps means collectively responsibility, which lead the better team engagement and productivity. So we also know that the DevOps concept, it is the development plus it add the operation. So combined work or teamwork. So always whenever we use the word DevOps, so it improve the quality as well as productivity of particular software product. Then some of the disadvantage of the DevOps, like DevOps cover some of the disadvantage, like DevOps professional or expert developer are less available. Means this is a new concept or new culture, so expert developer is not right now available. DevOps developing with the DevOps is so expensive. Some of the infrastructure need for the perfect tools with the perfect tools as well as resources is required. So DevOps is expensive in compare of other. Adopting the new DevOps technology into the industries is hard to manage in the short time. So this is the disadvantage to adopting the new technology in the industries, also to manage it. Then lack of the DevOps knowledge can be problem in the continuous integration of automation project. So this is the disadvantage of DevOps. Then what are the DevOps principles we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you.